Yo, hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing my process on how I create a low content book, which is in this video, I will show you how to make a composition notebook. Okay, I will show you from the start to finish, the interior and including the book cover. So it will help me a lot if you guys smash that like button, and without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, so here we are, my desktop. So we are going to start off by creating our composition notebook. Okay, we're going to start off with creating the interior of my notebook, which is what I do. I like it to keep it fast and simple. I'm just going to go to Creative Fabrica. Okay, and then I'm going to search for a line journal. Here are all the results. Okay, we got so many product. We got free line notebook blank KDP interior. We got free. So many. But I would like to especially maybe find wide line journal. Alright guys, so this is the product that I've searched. Okay, I've chosen, which is the wide rule composition notebook for KDP. Okay, they have so many size right here. You guys can see there's 3 size: 6x9, 7.5x 9.25, and 8.5. This product is just a blank page with lines. Okay, that's basically it. And you guys might be asking, why don't I just do it for free in Canva or anything? I prefer to spend, which is I will save much of my time, and it will make my life more easier because it already follow the format and everything. Okay, so now we are going to proceed with buying. Just press need full POD license. Because I like to buy full POD license is because I have a full access to this product without considering any copyright issue or anything. Okay, so let me buy first. Okay guys, so this is the file that I've just downloaded from Creative Fabrica, which is the wide rule composition notebook, yada yada yada. I'm going to click on it and then go to CF file. Okay, so they have given us 3 types of sizes. Okay, as you guys can see, now it is time to choose which size that you guys want. For me, the size that I would like to use is 6x9. Okay, because I think that a notebook shouldn't be too big, because people like the notebook to save it to be compact and everything. So let's take 6x9, which is, if you guys can click on it, it will show how it looks like. So basically they have all the page, 120 page complete set. I don't have to edit anything in Canva because I like how it looks like and everything. So yeah, that's basically it. How I do my interior is just quite simple. And maybe next time if I want to do another notebook, I already have the interior, so I can just reuse the interior. So and yeah, that's basically it for the interior. So now we are going to proceed with the book cover. Okay guys, so now it is time to create our book cover for the composition notebook. Okay, before we are going to continue on creating the book cover, one thing before we're going to start is we are going to find inspiration from other people. What do I mean by that is, let's as an example, we are going to type in composition notebook. Okay, gonna press enter, and then there are so many composition notebook. But as you guys can see, all of this composition notebook is actually really, what we call it, simple or so basic, which is just from typing composition notebook, there's around 20,000 results. So we are going to tone down a bit, lower the result search. Okay, let's say I'm going to put animals, not animals, maybe a dog composition notebook, and then there will be so many types of book, and the result itself will be 1,000 results. Oh, and before I'm going to proceed, one thing I would like to tell you guys is that if you guys want to create your own book, your notebook or something like that, I would suggest you guys make your own product research, keyword research, to find the most rewarding keyword, which is what types of composition notebook you want to make. But for the sake of the video, I'm not going to show you keyword research. I'm just want to show you on how I create my composition notebook book cover. Okay, and also the interior. So let's say example, a dog composition notebook. I find this quite cute image of all dogs. Maybe scroll down a little bit. Also this image of all dogs is cute and all. Okay, also like this as an example. Okay, but let's say we are going to find other things, maybe animal composition notebook. Okay, all this looks cute and everything, and also the ratings have around 42 rating, which is the high. The sales is actually quite high if I'm not mistaken. So I think the design itself is quite famous, which is they use a cute image or just a similar image they repeat covering the whole page. Okay, maybe the last image, let's say I'm going to search for cat composition notebook. Got this thing. Oh, it looks really cute and everything, and I'm pretty sure the target audience are girls or women. Okay, because I'm pretty sure guys doesn't write that much. Okay, so our target audience will be girls, so I want to make my composition notebook cover looks cute and everything. So I would like to do this as a guidance. Okay, so that we are going to copy, not copy, I will take this cover as an inspiration. Okay, so now what we are going to do is actually just go to Creative Fabrica again. In Creative Fabrica, we are going to type cat clip art. Okay, because my composition notebook is consists of images of cat in their front cover. Okay, now it is time to decide which design is cute. Okay, because there are so many results right here, around 51,000. So let me choose which cats are suitable for me to put in front of my book cover. So this is the design that I decided to put at my book cover, okay, which is a cute cat clip art. Okay, just from this product they have around 11 images of 300 dpi cats, which is all of them are cute, really cute actually. So you're gonna scroll the shop, you got thank you, you're welcome. Okay, you can print on mugs or shirts. So basically this image of a clip art, around 11 image of cats, are costing only $1.50. So I'm going to buy this product, and then we are going to edit the image on our book. Before we are going to proceed editing our book, one thing, that the most important thing that you guys can't forget is you guys have to go to Google, type in KDP cover calculator, because we are going to decide what is the size of our book, and click on this KDP cover calculator, sorry. So go to binding type, paperback, interior type, it doesn't matter. I'm going to put black and white paper. Reading direction from left to right, measurement units is inches, and interior trim size. For me, my book would be 6 × 9 inches, okay, and the page count, which is when I bought in Creative Fabrica, is around 120 pages. Okay, so now just press calculate dimensions, and then they will give the details of our book size and everything. Just download the template. So when you guys download the template, you guys can open the file and then open up, and then this is how it will looks like, the template. So we are going to use this template in Canva later on. So just open up Canva, okay, open up another tab, open up Canva, and then click on create a design right here, because we are going to create our book cover, and then press custom size, and the units we need to change into inches, and then open up the image again, and then you are going to copy the where is it overall dimension, okay, right here, the overall dimension, which is the size 12.52 × 9.25. Now I have uploaded the template in Canva, as you guys can see here. I'm going to click on it, and then it will appear on this blank page. So you guys just have to maximize it fully to the full extent of the page. And now we have the template. We have already know which one is the front page, which one is the back page, and which one is the middle spine area. To decide the design of our book, we can check back the book in Amazon, which is, I said, as an inspiration, which is this book right here. So now you'll see the background is in one color, okay, one color tone, which is teal. Is it teal or is it green? I'm not sure. But let's say this is the most important part is one color, so I'm just going to press this square, okay, and then I'm going to fill up the whole page, okay, and then I'm going to decide what color am I going to use. So I've decided on using this template color, okay, which is a little bit peachy, maybe peach brownie, something like that. I don't know what it's called. Okay, I think that's good enough. So you guys can click on the square thing right here. You guys can press this thing, transparency. You can lower it a little bit so you guys can see the behind the template thingy. Okay, so that's good. So now maybe we are going to put the spine of the book. Okay, we are going to add another square thingy right here. We're gonna put it in the middle and make it a little bit bigger, and maybe this make it a little bit smaller. Okay, this doesn't seem complete yet because there are still so many things to do. So what we are going to do is we are going to upload the image of all of the cats that we just bought. So I have uploaded all the image of the cats, so cute and everything. So we are going to, oh, so cute, so big, and so we are just going to place all 11 cats onto the book. So this is how it looks like after I put all the images in the front page and the back page, and also the middle spine. I've made it a little bit smaller, a little bit thinner to make it more beautiful, more pretty. So now we are going to go back to the Amazon, the inspiration thingy. Okay, so one thing that they've added is this thing right here in the middle, the composition book square thingy. So we are going to create it by ourselves. What we're going to do is go to elements and then go to the square thingy right here. Okay, we're gonna put it in the middle, sorry, in the middle, and then we are going to color it similar as the spine. Okay, I think that's good enough. And then we are going to put another square, or we are going to make it a little bit more brighter. I think that's good enough. Yeah, so now we are going to resize it to make sure it fits. So how we are going to do this is go to text and then drag this font, put it in middle right here, and maybe make the text a little bit smaller, 24, and maybe change the font Hammersmith, I think. Yeah, I think this is good. So now we are going to put as composition notebook. Okay, and make the color similar as the spine. I'm gonna highlight this, same as the spine. Oh, that looks really nice. So now we are going to proceed with adding two lines in the middle of the square. So how we are going to do that is go to elements, go to search box, type in line, and then click on add a shape. Okay, basically they will give us a line right here. We're gonna drag this on the top. Okay, and then we're going to resize it. Alright. Okay, now we are going to put it in the middle, and then we're going to make the color itself the same color, which is the pinky thingy, and then you guys can change the line weight, which is how thick will it be. I'm going to put it as 2 because 4 is too big. I think I'm going to put 2. Yeah, I think that's good enough. So we're going to duplicate this by clicking on the line, press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V, and then we're going to drag this line and put it in the bottom. After that's finished, after that we are going to go to composition notebook right here, click on it, and then we're going to press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. We got another text box. We're going to drag to the bottom and maybe make the font a little bit smaller, around 14. Okay, and then we're going to drag it to the bottom, maybe a little bit lower. Okay, and then we are going to rename this as white ruled. Okay, basically the people can know what types of lines are in the books. Okay, which is our book is white ruled. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Then I'm gonna copy again and paste. I'm gonna drag right here, and then I'm going to put how many pages there is, which is 102 pages. And yeah, that's basically it. I think that's good enough. Everything's completed. Last but not least, what you guys have to do is press on the top right corner right here, click on share, click on download, click on file type, make sure it is in PDF print, okay, color profile RGB, and then just press download. This is what it looks like after it's been downloaded. Okay, yeah, and I hope this video helped you guys in creating your own composition notebook. And if you guys like this video, please do make sure to smash that like button, and if you want to see more, please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, see ya.